Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of e-commerce and exploring how this booming industry works. E-commerce has transformed the way we buy and sell products and services, but have you ever wondered about the mechanics behind it? Join us as we uncover the inner workings of an e-commerce business and demystify the process. To understand how e-commerce business works, let's break it down into a few key components. Online presence and website. The foundation of any e-commerce business is its online presence. This typically includes a website or an online marketplace where customers can browse, select, and purchase products or services. The website serves as the virtual storefront, providing a platform for businesses to showcase their offerings. Product catalog and inventory management. Behind the scenes, e-commerce businesses must curate a comprehensive product catalog. This catalog includes detailed information about each item, such as descriptions, images, pricing, and availability. Effective inventory management is crucial to ensure accurate stock levels and timely order fulfillment. Shopping cart and checkout process. When customers find products they want to purchase, they add them to their shopping carts. The shopping cart allows customers to review and modify their selections before proceeding to the checkout process. During checkout, customers enter their shipping information, choose a payment method, and complete the purchase. Payment gateway. E-commerce businesses utilize secure payment gateways to process customer transactions. These gateways facilitate the transfer of funds from the customer's chosen payment method to the business. Popular payment gateways include PayPal, Stripe, and Square, which offer a range of payment options, including credit cards, digital wallets, and bank transfers. Order fulfillment and shipping. Once an order is placed, the e-commerce business must fulfill it by preparing the items for shipment. This involves picking, packing, and labeling the products. Some businesses handle fulfillment in-house, while others partner with third-party logistics providers, 3PLs, or use dropshipping methods. Shipping options such as standard or expedited delivery are offered to customers. Customer service and support. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for the success of an e-commerce business. This includes responding to customer inquiries, addressing concerns, and facilitating returns or exchanges if necessary. Timely and helpful customer support builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. Now that we have a better understanding of how e-commerce businesses work, let's explore some key advantages. Global reach. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar stores, e-commerce businesses have the potential to reach customers worldwide. The internet allows businesses to expand their customer base beyond geographical limitations. 24/7 availability. E-commerce businesses operate around the clock, allowing customers to shop at their convenience. With online stores accessible at any time, businesses can generate sales even outside regular business hours. Cost efficiency. E-commerce businesses often have lower overhead costs compared to physical retail stores. There's no need for expensive physical locations, and online operations can be streamlined, resulting in cost savings. Personalization and data analytics. E-commerce businesses can leverage data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and purchase patterns. This valuable information enables businesses to personalize their marketing strategies and offer targeted recommendations to customers. In conclusion, e-commerce businesses thrive on the foundation of an online presence, streamlined processes, secure payment gateways, efficient order fulfillment, and excellent customer service. The advantages of e-commerce, such as global reach, availability, cost efficiency, and personalization, make it